Hi everyone. Hi, it's Carlene here. Just want to show you how to make these simple card holders. You know, sometimes you go to the store and you buy a gift card for someone and you don't like the card holder that they put it in, and you can make your own. The only thing that takes time is making the template itself. I had one in my purse and I was looking at it and I opened it up, and this is what it looked like. This is not the original what I had, but it's just one of the ones I made from the original, and it's very easy. It's very quick and easy. It has a couple of folds, 3 folds, and that's it. So you have one fold, 2 fold, and 3 folds. That's all, right? Very easy to make. You can be casual, you can be fancy, elegant, you can be less fancy, you can be crafty and fun. This is a button. And you can even be romantic. When you're giving away a gift card, you can put your card holder inside of a card, like this. When you're making your card, you can use any kind of paper you want. You go to your template and your choice of material for your template. You need scissors, a utility knife, straight edge of some kind. You may not need these. You may not need either of these because you may just want to use the scissors. You need a pencil and a scoring tool of some kind, or a blunt end, something with a blunt end so you can score your lines. So after I cut them out, they look like this. They're on paperboard. I applied Mod Podge. They're nice and glossy because I use glossy Mod Podge. They're nice and firm, and you can use them over and over again. So just to show you how it's done. So you have 3 folds, like I mentioned before. And in order to get your folds, you need to make your folds. You have to draw your lines and make your marks. The best way to do it is to make this mark first, which is a mark from this little area here. There's a little area that's open, and you can see it more right here. And you're going to make your line right across the edge, so it just lines up right along the edge there. Okay, I've already made my marks. As you can see, I already made my marks. And all I need to do now is to use my tool here, my scoring tool, and just press a couple of times. So if you can draw this line first, you're sure to get your second line. Your second line, this is the top of your card holder, and the second line will be at the very corner, the second point from here to there, right? Or if you're looking from it from side view, it'll be going downward like a slope. It'll be the second point right here. So you just connect your lines with your pencil, and then you get your connection right there at the very corner. And then you get your scoring tool and you just press down a couple of times. That will give you the fold. And remember, you want to fold into the inside that you won't be seeing, not on the outside. If you notice, when you fold it, it aligns right along with the bottom edge and the side like this. See? Okay, so that's so simple, right? And then this one, you could either make your mark or you fold it all the way over until it lines up with the other side. This one I made, I tweaked it. So I tweaked it from this one so that you can get a little tab, a little envelope, right? So I just tweaked it. So I did the same thing. I drew my lines and I'm going to score it now. So this one is the shoulder on the right side. And right here again. Make sure that when you apply your glue, you're using your glue on here. You're applying your glue on the outer sides of your folds and not on the inside. You won't be able to put your card in because your card goes in like this.